Welcome to handling errors and debugging. After watching this video, you will be able to summarize the importance of error handling in React Native, identify and manage common error types, and explain how to apply various error handling techniques. Error handling is a critical aspect of software development that enhances the stability, maintainability, and user experience of applications. In React Native, effective error handling ensures the app behaves predictably in unexpected situations like network failures or invalid inputs. Let's learn about some of the key reasons why error handling is essential. By catching and managing errors, you prevent crashes and ensure users can continue using the app, even in the event of issues. Proper error handling keeps the user unaware of internal errors, avoiding unresponsive screens, abrupt exits, or incomplete operations, which can lead to frustration. Since many operations in React Native are asynchronous, handling errors in these operations ensures the app doesn't break and can provide fallbacks or retries. When network services are unavailable, error handling can allow retry mechanisms, fallback options, or the use of cached data to keep the app functional. If an error occurs, only certain parts of the app may be affected or disabled without interrupting the overall user experience. For instance, a game can still function in offline mode without network features. Well-handled errors lead to cleaner, more readable code, making it easier to debug. Additionally, accounting for all possible issues improves the maintainability of the app. Proper error handling helps prevent data loss or corruption by retrying or rolling back changes when issues arise. For example, a banking app fetching data from an API must handle errors to avoid saving incomplete or incorrect information due to network failures. During the development of React Native apps, various types of errors can arise, each requiring different handling strategies. Some of the most common error types are syntax errors, runtime errors, style and layout errors, dependency errors, and network errors. Let's explore each in detail. Syntax errors occur due to mistakes in the code syntax, which are typically highlighted in the IDE. Unexpected token errors, which occur when there are missing curly braces, parentheses, or misplaced commas. JSX syntax issues that happen when you forget to close tags or use invalid JSX. Module not found errors that occurred due to incorrect module paths during import statements. Runtime errors happen while the app is running, potentially crashing or freezing it. Let's look at some examples of runtime errors. Reference error is thrown when a variable is used before being declared. Type error occurs when an operation is performed on an incompatible data type. Style and layout errors affect the UI and are typically identified visually. Some examples of these errors include invalid style property errors, which occur when using an unsupported style property, such as with auto, in cases where it's not allowed. Unexpected behavior, which is a layout issue caused by incorrect dimensions or improper use of Flexbox properties. Dependency errors occur due to issues with external libraries or native modules. Let's look at some examples of dependency errors. Incompatible or conflicting library versions are issues that occur when upgrading or adding libraries with mismatched versions. Native module linking issues occur when accessing native device features like camera or geolocation due to improper linking or configuration. Lastly, network errors occur when making API requests. Some examples of network errors are failed to fetch that is caused by an unreachable server, incorrect API endpoint, or network issues. CORS or cross-origin resource sharing issues that occur when making API requests to a different domain without the right permissions. Handling errors effectively in React Native ensures that the application remains stable, user-friendly, and easier to debug. Here are some common ways to manage errors. Try catch block, component error handling, handling API errors using promises and async or await, and console logging. Let's discuss each in detail. Try catch block is useful for catching synchronous errors or exceptions in JavaScript, preventing the app from crashing. You can wrap potentially error-prone code in a try block and handle any errors in the catch block. Component error handling checks props, states, or values before using them to prevent null or undefined access issues, ensuring the app doesn't crash. In this case, if the user is null or undefined, the app will display user not found rather than crashing. Asynchronous operations, like API requests, should handle errors such as network failures or invalid responses using catch or try-catch statements. In the case of promises, use a catch statement that follows the then statement to handle errors. In the case of async or await, you can wrap the await fetch in a try-catch block. While not a formal error handling mechanism, console.log can help debug issues by tracking errors or behavior during development. It's a simple and effective way to identify where an error occurs. Lastly, let's learn about some commonly used error handling and debugging tools for React Native code. React Dev Tools inspect React component trees, props, and state, and monitor component performance. You can install it from the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. You can also use the standalone version by running the following command. This opens a window where you can inspect your React Native app. Chrome Dev Tools are built-in debugging tools used when running React Native apps in development mode. It allows you to inspect elements, evaluate code, monitor network requests, and debug JavaScript within the browser. Visual Studio Code Debugger provides built-in debugging support for JavaScript and React Native code. You can install the React Native Tools extension in Visual Studio Code to debug your React Native app directly from the editor. There are numerous third-party open-source tools available for debugging and error handling, which can be used based on your specific project needs. In this video, you learned that error handling is crucial for stability, maintainability, and user experience in React Native apps. It prevents crashes, maintains app functionality during issues, and ensures a seamless user experience. Types of errors include syntax, runtime, style or layout, dependency, and network errors. Common strategies for error handling are try-catch blocks for synchronous and asynchronous errors, component-level checks for props and states, API error handling using promises and async or await, and console logging for debugging during development. Tools for debugging include React Dev Tools, Chrome Dev Tools, and Visual Studio Code's Debugger.